Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart, and if your guys fuel pump doesn't work, your car does not start and you're trying to find the fuse for the fuel pump, stay with us, that's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. And we'll have more than 200 videos probably on that Dodge Dart too. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. It's there for your convenience. You can see where we order everything from for a good price and fast shipping as well. So I'll go ahead, open the hood, and we'll show you guys where you can expect to find the fuse for the fuel pump. Now we guys have a 2.4 engine on that Dodge Dart, but even if you have the 2.0 or 1.4 the procedure should be the same. Only the one I think only the 2013 early models may be a little bit different, but always double check that. So now guys, you will need to open the hood. You have 3 fuse boxes in your car, but we'll need to work in this fuse box under the hood, okay, right here. The other 2 fuse boxes are inside. We have a video how to access them. Okay, one is right here, the other one is over there behind, you can see, and one here. So the one for the fuel pump, okay, it's actually under the engine, because that's where all the fuses for the engine computers are as well. If you guys want to see how to replace fuel pump, we have the video on the channel as well, so check it out. Now what you need to do, okay, right here you need to press in and then pull up. Check it out, like that, it comes up guys, and we have the fuses, okay, right there. Those are guys the fuses, labeled on the back side of the cover. T is a relay, F is a fuse. So the fuse guys that we need to check for the fuel pump, it's fuse number 21, F21. Whoever named the number those, okay, I don't know what they had in mind, but check 6375 83 23 15 21 guys, that fuse right here. This 20 amp fuse guys, this is the one for the fuel pump, this fuse. So if you're on the market for good fuses, really good price, check out guys, we'll have the link for that box. Okay, super good price, it comes with a free fuse puller as well. So all we have to do, grab it, okay, pull it out, and what we need to do now, okay, I need to get a yellow one, perfect 20 amp fuse, and replace it guys, and pretty much that will be the whole procedure. Now if your car does not start guys, we'll have a video called why Dodge Dart does not start, and we'll explain everything. It could be a few different components causing your car not to start, but it could be a dead fuel pump, and we'll have a video how to test it as well. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time.